It is a story of 6 years back, not today, when during pandemic you might have seen that there are many facilitation programs going through the various government authorities, but it was thought well in advance, looking into your contribution towards the society. So basically, I will say that you are in the business of happiness, sirs. You are one who has been bringing the smiles on the face of ailing humanity every day.
I find that one community which has suffered the highest because of this pandemic is healthcare professionals. More so, when I call healthcare professional, it starts from a ward boy to the head of the department of a university, medical university, and a small medicine distributing small boy to the CEO of a company. Everyone who raises the flag for keeping the public healthy is healthcare professional. But doctors are our leader. And when I look back, one community which has lost the highest number of people from themselves is doctors and their associates. I will tell you, it's a little more emotional for me because my own maternal uncle, Dr. Suman Khan Jha, who had been a teacher of pediatrics for 60 years, a passionate pediatrician, and he used to tell me that I started attending in Pedicon 1967, which was when probably the first one when Lala Surjanandan started it, to the last one in which Dr. Parikh was the president. And he was very, very, he would not have been in the forefront, but I have never seen him missing any Pedicon.
I will request Dr. Basavaraj to kindly hand over the certificate to Dr. Bagal Parakh. Can we have claps, please? Ultimately, the badge is on. I will request Dr. Digant Sastry to kindly hand over this gift to Dr. Bagal Parakh.
Before I conclude, I have a small video from Dr. Dilip Shah, who is an eminent orthopedician of the town. He could not make it. I am playing this video just to tell you that there are many out there of this hall has expressed his views, has wished you all a great days ahead. I have my friend Dr. Anant Mahapatra from Ireland. He also has sent a video saying that he knows what you all have gone through. He has been the part of it. So I would request the team, if they have a video of 1 minute of Dr. Dilip Shah, just to put on before we conclude finally and say big thank you to each one of you. Dr. Nigam Prakash want to speak something. So just post video, Dr. Prakash will come and say his few words. Yeah, go ahead.
Good evening, friends. Due to unavoidable circumstances, I, Dr. Dilip Shah, an orthopedic surgeon, will not be able to attend today's felicitation program arranged by Mr. Prashant Pathak, who has been a pioneer in so many pharmaceutical companies. He has been an MD, CEO, and at this moment he is with Good Healthcare, Drugs and Pharmaceuticals. He wants to honor the healthcare heroes and somehow he has included my name also. Unfortunately, if I don't come, please pardon me for that. And I am thankful to Prashant Pathak sir because he has been a really good worker in pharma industry for last 36 years. I had the privilege of sailing in the same boat with him in Philippines, and I wish him all the best for the function to honor the healthcare heroes. Thank you.